All right. Hello, guys. Good afternoon. We meet again. Now we are going to continue from where we stopped in our last class. And today we will be looking at introduction to what Python programming is. In our last class, we explained what programming is in general, and we also made mention of a few programming languages we know. So in today's class, we will find out what Python programming is and how it can be used. So introduction into Python programming. In this class, we will take a little stroll so we can understand what Python programming is and what it can do. Now, introduction, we'll be looking at what is Python, why is Python special, strong points of Python, why people love it, limitations of Python, what exactly is great about Python, or what can it not do, and why you should learn Python. So we jump into what is Python. Now, Python is a programming language, or Python is like a magic language that you can use to talk to a computer. So instead of speaking English, you write instructions in Python and the computer follows the given instructions. So let's take Python to be a Lego building set. So you can say put the red brick on top of the blue brick and the computer will do exactly that. Python Python is those instructions, but in code form. So why is Python special? Python is one of the most popular programming languages, and people use it for all sort of things, like for building websites, for making games, for teaching robots, for studying space and science, and even creating cartoons and animations. Now, for building websites, Python can be used to build websites. There is a way that is carried out. It can also be used for making games, and it can also be used, it is mainly used for teaching robots. That is in the case of artificial intelligence. And you can also use it for studying space, science, and everything that is inside of space. Now, what are the strong points of Python? Why do people love Python? Python is easy to read. So Python looks like normal English, making it extremely easy to learn and understand. Example, we have a command here. This is an actual Python command that says print hello world. Now you are basically telling your computer to print hello world. Now you can see this is English, print hello world, and it does exactly that. Python is also beginner friendly, so meaning kids, teenagers, and adults can start learning Python and learn it quickly. Python is flexible. Python is like Play-Doh. It's like clay, soft clay. It can be shaped into anything. Apps, AI development, or AI engineering, website development, game development, or even rocket simulations. Big community. Python has millions of people using it. So if you are stuck on something, there is somebody out there who is able to provide an answer. And also Python has lots of free tools. So there are a lot of pre-made libraries. These are like toolboxes or tools. These libraries, you could say these libraries are like your screwdriver, your mm, scissors, your pair of scissors, your spanners, and so on. You can borrow them instead of building from scratch. Now, what are the limitations of Python? What is Python not great at? Now, every superhero has his or her own weakness. Example, Superman's weakness is kryptonite. Python has the same. Python is no different. So Python is not the fastest programming language in the sense that Python is slower than languages like C++ or Java. If you need a super fast, if you need if you need your program to run fast, super fast, like making a car racing game with very, very high graphics, Python will struggle or might struggle. Not perfect for mobile apps. Most big phone applications like Instagram and WhatsApp don't rely on Python. Applications like that, or most big phone applications, for instance, most applications for Android are built using Java programming language. Now, Python uses much more memory than others. Python sometimes takes up more space in your computer's RAM than other languages. And Python depends on other tools for development. So for big projects, Python often needs to team up with other programming languages. Now, these are some of the limitations of Python programming language. Now, a tiny taste of Python code. Now, this is what a simple Python code looks like. So you have a super simple Python example. We have name equal to Sam. We have name equal to Sam, age equal to 10. Print, hello, my name is name. I am dash years old. So now at this point where we have name equal to Sam, what we are simply saying is take the name Sam and store it under this word name. So whenever we are calling on Sam, or whenever we need to make use of Sam, we just say name and Sam will be called in its place. It's like having an item and storing that item in a box. When you want to make use of that item, you are retrieving the box first before you can make use of the item you have stored inside of the box. Same thing here. We have Sam. We have stored Sam in name. Then we have also stored 10 in age. So having print hello, my name is name. What we will end up having is hello, my name is Sam. That is what we will end up having. Same thing with print I am age years old. We are going to have I am 10 years old. So the reply for the computer will be hello, my name is Sam and I am 10 years old. This is what a simple Python program looks like. At first glance, you see it looks very close to English language. This is why Python is said to be one of the easiest programming languages to learn. Now, why should you learn Python? Learning Python is like learning the alphabet of computers. Once you know it, you can build cool projects, you can solve puzzles, you can automate boring tasks, like telling your computer to sort files for you. Something you would manually have to sit down and do, you can tell your computer to do that making use of Python. So once you run your Python program, you just sit down and relax and your computer does the rest. You can also be ready for future tech jobs. It is a door opener. So once you push through the door, other coding languages start to look less scary. Now, in conclusion, Python is like a friendly teacher. Python is patient, Python is simple, but it is also powerful. But just like training wheels on a bike, at some point you will need other languages for super speed or high speed / heavy lifting task. So that is what Python is. Now, in today's class, we have come to the end of today's class. In our next class, which will be on Monday, we will take a look at what the Python programming environment looks like. On that note, I will share a YouTube link that states how to install Python. for the programming students or for the programming, yes, the programming students, those who are doing web development and also in extension Python, I believe you have all installed Visual Studio Codes in your laptops. So when we meet on Monday, I will teach you how to install Python into your laptop and also start coding with Python. So on that note, we will end the class here today. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see on Monday. Bye, guys. Mr. Morris, I'm done. Over to you.
All right, thank you so much. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear
Yeah.
me, please?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, everyone. While we understand this class and go back to other classes that we missed, it's very important that we go and watch all those videos so that we'll do the tasks that we're giving, or else you'll not be giving certificates for a class here. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful weekend ahead. Thank you so much, sir.
All right. Thank you very much. Bye.